Hi. Today we're going to tell you about circumventing Google's advertising systems and processes. Because as a user, it becomes important for you to know what it entails because it is almost impossible to get your account back if you circumvent system policy. Let's get started. Circumventing system policy violation. Google will suspend your account if any attempt or action is taken to interfere or deceive Google's system and policies. This violation can be done by the user in many ways. Displaying different content to certain users. This practice of showing different content to selected users, including Google, is known as cloaking. A user attempts to do this for hiding his non-compliance with the Google ad policies. Continuous policy violations. Your account would be suspended if you do repeated policy violations on Google Ad. Never post disapproved ads that violate policies by creating new accounts. Bypassing enforcement mechanisms. Avoid producing different versions of disapproved ads by creating variations in text, videos, or images, as it can lead to your account suspension. Abusing Google Ad system. Sometimes users attempt to log into the Google Ad system again after getting their account suspension. Further, users try to non-compliant content on their product features. Providing false information. Google Ad conducts verification programs to ensure the authenticity of the user and its products or services. Do not submit wrong information intentionally in these verification programs. Using a prohibited word or a trademarked term. Your ad could get disapproved if you have used a term similar to a trademarked or prohibited word. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.